Hello! What up, guys? So some people have been asking for an actual tutorial on how to do my hair like how I did on the rundown. Okay, we're rolling. On this one episode that I showed you like a BTS and me getting ready for the show. So I'm just gonna show you how I did it. My hair is a day old. It's kind of greasy. Maybe it's 2 days old, depending on this grease level. But all you need is a straightener. If you have one, great, you can do this. If you don't, just braid your hair and hopefully it'll come out looking like this. This baby's warmed up, let's go. First, section off your hair. Let's do like less than half, just the back pieces. Make it like a little thin amount. Tie the rest of it up. By the way, I'm not a hairstylist. I don't really know what I'm doing. You guys just asked for this, so I'm like fulfilling your demands. Why are you being so bossy? My mom is a hairstylist though, so she might be proud and disappointed at the same time. I don't know, because I'm probably not using real techniques. And for all of my friends who are hairstylists, this is for you. So you do that thing where you like wrap it around, but don't do it the whole way down. Clamp it, twist it, pull it, let go. Should I just slow it down for you?
Clamp it, twist it, pull it, let go.
It's like a bop it. Clamp it, twist it, pull it, let go. And you just kind of want it to be like a really lazy half-ass curl because cool girl. Then you take another section, probably like the same amount of hair. If you have like more professional tools and clips, use them. This is all I have during quarantine in America. Oh, by the way, this is not what you're doing the entire way through. We get a little more elaborate as we go. Clamp it, twist it, pull it, let go. Now here's where it gets tricky. My hair is getting longer. I do that for the first half of the hair, and then I'm gonna do it again for the second half of the hair. Twist it. And see how it looks like kind of weird? I like to go in there and then go like that and just add like another thing in there. So like I'm doing like these little movements. So we do the thing here, and then we're gonna do it here. And then we're gonna go in here and we're gonna go like that. And that one didn't really work so well, so we're gonna do it again. Watch me be that girl who like burned her hair off and was on Ellen. Boom, boom, boom. See that one? It's like nice and wavy. We just did the clamp, twist, pull, release, and then we went back in and then we did like a boom, another weird fold. This one is really not working. Please do not use this one as your example. But you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the cool thing about this hair. It's just supposed to be kind of like tousled, piecey, messy. Okay, we're gonna do it on this side and hopefully it's gonna look better. I'm really not a good hair vlogger. I'm sorry, this is my first one ever. If you're following this, I hope you're getting it. If you don't, I'm sure you're gonna let me know in the comments. Okay, your wrist is like this. Boom, that's what it is. It's a flick of the wrist. See, we're coming along here. These two front pieces look like absolute shit. Do not follow the instructions for these ones, but guess what? They're gonna be hidden anyway. Oh, and then I like doing this a lot. I think there was another step that I missed, but you guys are watching, you can rewind it. Skinny section. And then we do it again down here. And then we take that weird piece in the middle. Flick of the wrist, boom. And then see how we did too much? So we're gonna go pat, pat, pat. Does it look good? Oh, see, and then you just do it again to go over it. And there we go. Voila, that's a really good one, I think. Are you guys following? Is this helping anyone? I hope you're getting this. I'm sure there's another tutorial on how to like curl your hair with a curling iron, and then you can like reference that one to figure out what the hell I'm doing here. Okay. Section, next section. We'll do it again because I did a really thick piece here. Then we're gonna go here. Boom. Wave, wave, wave. I'm gonna take another one. Clamp, twist, pull. Clamp, twist, pull, release. Take that section in between those. Flick of the wrist. Now we pat, 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 pat. And there she is. Natural wave right there. And then you just do this along the entire head. Hi P, you like it? Not impressed. Make sure you don't burn your hands. Okay, time lapse time. Here is my hair without any products or anything in it. I just finished. I like to go back and take any pieces that I feel are a little too flat or undone. I'll like take a random little section where it's like, oh, this can use some more. Actually, this one's beautiful and perfect. It doesn't need anything. And now I'm gonna put in some products. Your hair is only as good as your products. I don't even know what products these are. These are just things that my mom gave me because she owns a salon and she knows what she's doing, and she gave me these things to use and I'm finally using them. This one is a styling paste. I'm sure you can find that somewhere. And this one is a slick hold styling pomade. And then this one is an anti-frizz serum. As you can see, frizz, frizz, frizz. I've got flyaways, 4 days, and baby hairs that literally have never grown into adulthood. I take pomade, then I take styling hold, strong hold, put them together. Ew, maybe I did too much. I like to get them all together so that like the pomade is not all white and gross anymore, because that white stuff will show in the hair. All up in the palms, pomades. Go like this. Scrunch it, scrunch it, scrunch it. Do it, yeah, yeah. Get it all up in the hairs. Down there's. Flip it over. Run it through. And then take like some pieces. Go like that. Go like that. Mom, are you proud? And then go like this. And then you take those little sideburns and go like that. And like this, like that. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. You got all those baby hairs down? We get you? You got you? Little mother. Cool. Now I have it piecey, and then we just take very little of the anti-frizz serum, whatever serum you've got. Put on our little fingers, and then we get like those dry ends because you haven't got your split ends cut in however many weeks because quarantine. This is my cool girl wavy hair, effortless, the undone done look. It only took me 15 minutes, maybe less. I have no sense of time anymore. What is time? Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, I guess subscribe, share it with people. I don't know, try and do your hair like this. If it worked for you, let me know. If it didn't, do not let me know because you're just a little troll. If you did it, I kind of want to see how it looked. I want to see if like this actually worked for you. Let me know. Goodbye. This is the Erin Does Show. Erin does hair today. She did it.